Nice big welcome for Fraser. Crown cranes are named after that little tuft of feathers on their head. Kind of looks like a crown, right, Joe?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, he's a good-looking bird. You know, Joe, I've got a lot of his treats here. Do you want to feed him?
I'll watch you feed him. He's big.
I can show you how to do it.
Big bird.
Who wants to see Joe feed the crane?
Big. All right, I'll try. What do?
Great. I'll tell you what, why don't you make a bowl with both hands?
Okay.
Just like that. I'm going to bring you some treats.
Yeah.
Come with me.
Yes?
All you need to do is hold still.
Okay.
You guys should be able to cameras. No, this is showing good.
She's big.
I'm going to be right here with you. Oh, look at that.
I would love to see this guy out in the wilds of Africa running around with his buddies. That would be something.
It would be a beautiful sight, but Joe, it's kind of a hard one to find.
Why?
Yeah, well, the crown crane, they struggle with a lot out in Africa. They have to deal with things like habitat loss, pollution. Believe it or not, some people consider them to be pests. They actually put out poison for the crown crane.
Oh, I can't imagine a world without beautiful creatures like this in it.